Today we're gonna see if the tech guy can keep up with the deck pro, ripping apart these decks with the random tools we put in these 5 toolboxes. We've got Dan the deck pro. He's been doing decks for decades.
A clean job site is a happy job site.
And we've got Tullen the finance guy who does diddly squat most days.
Luke couldn't stand watching me suck anymore.
Hey, where are you? The winner of this challenge gets to inflict a mystery punishment on the loser. So let the games begin.
Oh my gosh, I have a tiny hammer.
Got a saw.
This is impossible.
I like what I'm seeing here. I really do.
The goal is to get it all to fit on that pallet, and then we'll be able to forklift it around to the trash can.
Tullen has a board loose. There we go. No, that's all right. That's a good start. They've been working for, I'll call it 5 minutes. I haven't done squat. These tools are terrible. I mean, this guy's got a saw, a hand saw that he's trying to use. And then Tullen's got a hammer, probably 8-inch long hammer that is not getting him anywhere.
Ooh, there we go. Now we got some access.
Have you arrived at the gym at all in the last month?
To sauna.
Okay,
Yeah.
the sauna.
Oh, what's happening? Oh, he's using a board to...
I'm not using my other tool. I'm cheating.
Yeah, that's ingenuity. Oh, you're getting your butt kicked, dude. You're dead in the water.
Oh, no.
Frickin' Archimedes over here. Let's go.
I don't know if that'll work on mine. Oh, no.
All right, 1 minute timer on this round. 1 minute left, and then we're getting new tools. Not that Dan needs them. He doesn't even need tools. He's got a deck. Dan uses the deck.
Using the deck to demo the deck.
Hey, time's up. Get a new tool. Go get a new tool. First up.
Crowbar, yes.
1 screwdriver. That's very helpful.
He's still gonna beat me. This is the tool I needed.
I think it's just time to sit down. We'll just sit down with this one and take our time. Makes you very appreciative of your tools. I don't even have a tool belt on. I feel very naked right now.
Hey, we don't need to get anyone injured here, except Tullen, that's fine. We just don't want to get you injured.
He has like the best tool ever right now, and he's not even getting anywhere. It's embarrassing to watch from my angle.
It is hard to see.
Oh, there we go. Oh my gosh. Why am I so bad at this, Kento? I've got nothing. I'm better at algebra.
I have to watch this kind of stuff every day. He's decent on Excel, though. Like if he's running numbers and that.
What would you say Tullen's strong suit is?
Talking, maybe.
Dan, you have no chance!
Tullen, just grab from this end and then just pull up. Like you just grab from that end.
Yeah, I'm not very strong. Oh my gosh! Well, time to organize my stuff, I guess.
What have you got? That's a knife. Backstabbed! All right, DJ is gonna be working counterproductively to you with the arrow. We're gonna set this up. If you hit Tullen with an arrow, he's gonna shoot that arrow at you. If he hits you, you gotta run a lap before you come back.
What's a lap? Can we define a lap?
Yeah, a lap is once around something. I'm gonna need you to run over to the auto glass where it says for lease and then run back here. He's got 3 arrows. Yeah, hands behind your back.
Oof.
Oh, one more shot. Oh, all right, get moving, dude. Tullen pulled the knife, so he's getting backstabbed, meaning DJ is putting boards back on Tullen's.
What do I do with my knife? Run faster, Kento!
For Tullen, running is like, have you seen a sloth?
I was pretty worried that I was gonna have to run.
Oh, this is somehow easier than ripping apart that deck.
I don't want to take apart any decks.
Well, I can relax now. I can clearly relax. No hurry.
Now my crowbar's stuck. This is the tool I needed.
All right, 1 minute left with the tools you got. 1 minute left. Let's go, Tullen. I don't think you've set one board on that pallet. Okay, you did. You did set one board on there. It's hard to watch. Makes me question everything.
It's hard to do. Oh, yeah.
Your lap.
I got one done.
Okay, DJ's over there helping him, totally just standing there like most office guys do. You know, breathing hard.
All right, stop. Taking a break. All right, please, please don't cut the concrete.
Who's entrusting me?
Very nice.
Are we insured for this?
All right, I'd pop some boards off of here, dude. Oh!
What? Oh, he just cut the whole thing in half?
I think we're gonna need a little bit smaller pieces.
You know, now I'm not naked anymore. I've got my tool belt on. I feel like I'm actually a person again.
It's not all the way through though.
Hey, well, what about this? Just imagine. Ow. Yeah, that's not gonna work.
It's amazing how much just a hammer can do.
Luke couldn't stand watching me suck anymore.
Hey, where are you?
Oh yeah.
I'm helping you, not the other way around. Here's what I want to see. Come on, we're doing it.
Jesus.
Let's go. I don't want to take apart any decks. Woo! All right. That's too much work. I shouldn't have done that.
Okay, Kenta. You might want to stand back.
A clean job site is a happy job site.
Oh yeah.
Heads up, heads up. Well, we got somewhere. All right, home stretching it. Last couple boards.
I only work with numbers with dollar signs in front of them.
It's the one and only Eagle Double.
I do like what I'm seeing over here, Dan.
Nice and organized.
Yeah, I mean, it just, we've got a combination of tools being used properly to take apart this deck.
Definitely helps using them the correct way with the right tools.
Nice in.
That's it, she's done.
There we go. You grab that side. Time's up. After, I think, over an hour, the winner is Dan. Dan's almost his entire boards to fit on there. We can't even fit any more boards on the pallet. Tullen, you did good. We did good. But
Had a lot of help.
it does look like, yeah, it looks like they let a handful of convicts attack it with talons. Like, I don't know what to make of that. You've won the challenge. What punishment do we want to inflict on Tullen?
I would definitely say standing on the corner over there spinning a sign is probably going to have my vote.
Is that a Deck City sign?
It is going to be a Deck City sign.
All right. We'll catch you out there.
This is the wrong corner, Tullen. Get down to the corner and get some traffic going. And be careful, your alabaster skin could fry.
Okay, come on. More twirling. Let me see a 360. Let me see a 360. Here we go.
Deck City, go get your deck. Yeah, go get your deck. City rocks. Yeah, Deck City.